So I had a fun little project today. I found an air conditioning unit, window unit, inside of a... Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Don't mess up. You klutz. Go get the ball. Anyway, sorry. I found this AC unit inside of a dumpster, and obviously someone threw it away because it wasn't working for them. Big shocker. But what I found was the problem was the digital circuitry. And, you know, this stuff is cool and all with the LCD showing you how good the temperature is and whatnot, but you know what? Let's just go analog on this bitch. So, took that out. Let me show you what I got going on. So, I took out the analog circuitry. So these are really cool. You can get these on Wish and Temu. They're low heat solder connectors. And basically they melt together, or they melt this little solder bead and it crimps the wires together, or splices the wires together, and then I throw some heat shrink over them so that you're not getting anything blocking you or arcing or whatnot. So what I've done is I have taken the wires from the fan and taken the wires from the condenser and just put everything through this 15 amp circuit breaker and put a on-off button for the fan and for the condenser. So what I've got going on is just turned it into analog, and I'm gonna go get a 3-dial switch so that I can take the low and the high of the fan and do something with those. But for now, it's just on high and it's just got cool or fan. So that's the fan. And then this is the condenser. And I mean, it's working. You can hear that condenser working. You can see the frost building up on there. So I'd say that success. I'm going to put it back all together and see what it looks like back together. I don't know what happened to the audio, but I'm recording over. Now that is for the fan on-off for high only, and that is for the condenser. And put it all back together and it's blowing out cold. Ice cold, and you can see on the other side that right there is where it's forming ice on the coils. It's blowing out really cold. So one man's trash is another man's treasure.